Now, you see this case I'm about to start, right? I'm going to make the case very public, you understand? Because apparently, plenty people will get influence, they inside the case. And the best way to deal with influential people is when you make everything public. When you make everything public, they don't have anywhere to run. That's how it is. Now, you see this particular case, look at this guy. Why I'm more interested in it is because this guy is a pastor, not just a pastor, now Reno Omokri, brother. Reno Omokri, where they always come online, come they do, okay, now ain't no pass, he's morally upright, blah, 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 blah. This is his brother. You understand? And according to the year, say Reno Omokri follow, they look for a way to take die the matter. They take off the case.
The father of this 15-year-old girl made a video concerning this, that Pastor Omokri raped her daughter. Now, this is a very sensitive and important case that is trending on the Nigerian internet space. We are going to talk about it. I want you to listen to this video to the end, why we analyze this, and know why Reno Omokri want to defend this illegality and use his influence according to this story you're about to hear. Listen to it first.
You understand? Now, this case, look at this post, right? This is the father of the person involved. He posted it yesterday. But before he posted it, they had reached out to me, see, on the 8th of February. You understand? They reached out to me before I went to the UK. But I gave them a time. I say, see, before I talk about this case is very sensitive, right? Before I talk about this case, the woman where they involved, we don't make a video, post them. Then I'll get the video. Then I'll use it to start following up the case. Before I start now, they can't go meet you for back. They'll come tell you, can't say, the very dark man acted on his own. That's why I leave the case. Until the father can't decide to make a video by himself. So now, we are going to make it public. Because I just collected his father's number. And then we'll start following up the case. You understand? I love where this is going. Now, this man is a pastor. This is the pastor, Reno Omokri's brother. Now, let's see what he did.
In 2023, my daughter was raped by her pastor, Isaac Omokri. This Isaac Omokri is a stepbrother to Reno Omokri. And this same pastor, Isaac Omokri, has a mentor. His name is Chief Uyi Igbenedu Gibbs. Now, my daughter was 15 years old when this rape took place last year. I learned of the matter recently and I am crying for justice because the matter went to police and went to court, but right now the matter has been compromised. They are doing everything possible to let him go free. The police has been compromised, the judges and the court has been compromised. The case that was at High Court, Dukwe, was later moved to Apo without even a notice of my ex, because as of that time, she never told me. She was the one running around for the case. All I am asking for is justice for my daughter.
All right, so you heard the father of the girl, right? He's a Reno Omokri brother, you understand, who is a pastor. He do forceful entry on them Peking in daughter where be 15 years old inside church. You understand? Only God know what thing make and do inside church. You know how this pastor they be. If he be saying one do man. But that's by the way. Now he said that Reno Omokri brother Polashan 15-year-old daughter inside church. You understand? So according to him, he just found out. But meanwhile, they have already sent me a voice note on the 8th. But I decided to talk about it because it is sensitive and the woman was not willing to come forward. But now when the father don't come forward, we'll do it publicly. Now see the voice note they sent to me on the 8th.
Yeah. So madam, please.
Yes.
Do you please VeryDarkMan asked me to confirm from you. Do you have any evidence?
I have the pastor's confessional statement that he made in church because they made him to come and do a confession in church. I have the confession I can send to you.
Okay, you record it back?
Is also yes, it was recorded.
Okay, please forward it to me. Okay, continue.
I'll forward it now. Then my daughter is also available to give her own ordeal of what happened.
Okay.
Then when we went to the police station, because when the thing happened initially, that he got her the virgin on the 22nd of February 2023. He said that she should not let me know or anybody otherwise that she's going to die of kidney failure and she'll start losing her family members one after the other. On the 26th of February.
So the person that brought everything to me is one of my friends, you understand? So he told me that he was also in pains listening to it, that he felt somehow, you understand? So now why he bring the case come with me? So they say Reno Omokri, according to what they talk, say Reno Omokri they follow using influence, they take protect him brother. And we all know say Reno Omokri gets connection, you understand? So at the end of the day, it will be Reno Omokri's connection against the whole people of Nigeria. So you people have heard the case, you understand? I will go and meet the family. I will still publicize whatever they tell me. Do you understand? We will now file a public case now against Reno Omokri's brother. Now public things we go use and take wrong. You understand? We go file them. Public case, everybody go see them when we go file them. We'll get the lawyer so we need to get. I go use my money to find the lawyer. We'll get the lawyer so we need to get. They will start to review the case again. So wherever the judge be, where don't compromise, that's your business. You understand? And this is how they do to the poor people. Because you get influence. See what you use person picking do. If they do that to your picking, you go happy. And guess what? The man wife know, according to the story. Say the man wife know, but the wife said they protect the husband because the husband gets reputation as a pastor. You understand? So the people were, if Pastor Mr. Isaac Sean Godwin Omokri is your pastor, this is what they said he has done. So we can't go into it this week to find out what is true or what is true. But if it's true and they are trying to hide it, it cannot be hidden. Because they're going to learn and they will learn the hard way. Don't play. I love this case.
Millions of women around the world, particularly in Nigeria, have been going through this kind of assault, especially the minor. In the year 2020, the United Nations reported that there are about 11,200 cases of people who are victims of this topic we are treating. So, anyone who pretends that he wants to make Nigeria better, that he loves Nigeria, and so on and so forth, and try to defend this type of case because his name is attached to it, because it is his brother, and so on and so forth, I think the person should be facing a national disgrace, and the people should understand that the person doesn't mean well for them. The person doesn't mean well for Nigeria. Now, we are talking about a 15-year-old girl, for that matter. A 15-year-old girl. And see, the reason why I am so curious, this happened in the year 2023. No one is talking about it. According to VeryDarkMan, he's saying that Reno Omokri is trying to use his influence to make sure he quenched this case and so on and so forth. Now, this thing happens in 2023 and no one is hearing about it. No one heard about it. No one is talking about it. Where is this girl in question? Where is she? I hope they have not touched her. I hope they have not by her. I hope nothing has ever happened to her. Where is she? Now, I listened to the father and I believe the testimony, because before the father could come out and make a video that this is what happens to my daughter, you should understand the gravity, the pain, and what the girl must have gone through. Now, imagine Omokri is telling this girl that if you go out to tell the public what is going on, if you tell the public what is going on, that you are going to have a kidney problem, your family is going to, and so on. So that is a threat. So where is this Omokri? Where is he? I hope he's not walking on the street, because that is the Nigeria we are, where people who have influence and they have money can go away with everything. But you see this one, he's not going to go away with it. He is not going to go away with it. He's going to face the law and the justice for this. He should be behind the bar for 21 years for doing this to 15-year-old girl. And from the information reaching me, that this is not the first time the Pastor Omokri is doing this. That this is not the first time. So I don't really know, but I'm so much interested in this confession that the father made about her daughter. So when you are looking at the victim of this kind of case, you look about the future of the girl, the emotional and psychological trauma. You look about, if people know this girl now, how would they treat her in the future? A lot of people who have gone through these cases, they find it difficult to cope in marriage because people might use it against them. So these people supposed to pay. This man, Isaac Omokri, is supposed to pay daily for what he did. This is uncalled for. This is evil, and it should be punished for. Let me know what you think on the comment section, because this case, as far as I'm concerned, I trust Nigerians. We are going to follow this case and make sure that the girl will receive justice. Please kindly help me share this video. Let people see what is going on.